Here are the top 4 things that you need to know about designing your new swimming pool and outdoor living space. So the first thing we're going to talk about is how you and your family use your backyard. So we are going to take a look at all of the different practical pieces of the way that you would like to envision your space, but also how do you actually use it? Do you like to entertain? Do you like to cook? If you do like to cook, maybe we do an outdoor kitchen. When we create your new pool design, do we want to have a water feature? Do we want a waterfall and water spouts? Do you want to include an outdoor sound system? Do you like to be out there at night more than during the day? Do we need landscape lighting? So these are all elements that we are going to include in the design render. So if you have small children and they need a space for a play area, if you have a dog that maybe needs artificial turf, we want to make sure all of those things are in consideration when we do your design. Next up, we're going to discuss the style of your new backyard oasis. So we are going to take a look at your own personal style as well as the style of your home. Your new backyard reflects that personal style. Is it a super modern home with nice, clean, sleek lines? Or are you a board shorts and flip-flops type of person? Are you more contemporary? Are you more traditional? Is your home very cottagey? We are going to use details to reflect that personal style. So I'm going to choose specific pavers. We're going to choose specific elements for your yard that reflects whether you are a modern or contemporary or traditional homeowner. And we're going to make sure that it all fits in with the property that's already there. Number 3 is we are going to talk about the design process. So I'm going to take all of the information that I collected from you and your family and your yard. So I'm going to take dimensions and elevations and I'm going to put it into a 3D rendering, and I'm going to come back to you with a full 3D vision of what your backyard's going to look like. So you're going to see exactly what we are going to install in your new backyard. So that includes the pool, that includes the pergola, all the plants, all the pavers, specific types of pavers, and you'll be able to know exactly what your yard is going to look like. After you're completely satisfied with your 3D render, I will hand you off to our sales team and they will walk you through the installation process. That includes the schedule, how long we think it's going to take, the steps that are going to need to happen next in order to install and create your new backyard swimming pool. Backyard oasis. So we are going to talk about a realistic budget so that when I go to design your dream backyard, we are on the same page as far as what you're expecting it to cost. So, you know, if you have $1 million dreams but a $400,000 budget, I can design a backyard that is going to work for you financially and can still give you all of the elements that you're looking for, but at a smaller cost. Also, we do financing through Solid Structures, so if you need a little bit of help getting your dream backyard installed, we can help you with that.